Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how you can make side blurry video like this. If you want to make blur side video, then this tutorial is for you. Okay, let's start. First import your vertical size video, then go to ratio and change it 1:1. Okay, now see, dark side is appear in your video. It's not look fine, so select the video and go to canvas and you see blur background. Add one from this which you want. Okay, I add this. Now see the result. So this is enough for making side blurry video. Thanks for watching. I hope this video save your time. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.